Okay, we're going to talk about interior angles of a polygon. What does interior mean?
Like the inside.
Inside. So the inside angles of a polygon. Remember, a polygon is just a closed figure. Okay. Remember, there's certain special names for special polygons. We'll talk about those. Okay. In order to find how many degrees in that interior of that polygon, there's a formula. Okay. We already know how many degrees in a triangle.
180.
180. Okay, we know that. So the formula is for other polygons that you might not know. What you need to do is you need to take n minus 2 times 180. Now that n is the number of sides of that polygon. So let's take something we know. We know for a fact that a triangle has 180 degrees. Okay, well, how many sides does a triangle have? 3. So let's make sure that this formula works. 3 minus 2 is 1. What is 1 times 180? 180. Weird. Did it work?
Maybe.
Yeah. Okay, so it's going to work for all of them.
What if there's 7?
So if there's 7 sides, what's 7 minus 2? 5. Take that times 180. That'll give you how many degrees inside that polygon.
Both sides.
Then it's not a polygon. It doesn't have sides. It doesn't have sides. It wouldn't be a polygon. Okay?
You're confusing me because you said.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Here we go. Let's talk about the fancy names. If it has 3 sides, what's it called? Triangle. 4 sides? Nope. Square is a specific type of this. A rectangle is a specific type of it. I heard some quadrilateral. So you guys aren't wrong. Those are 4-sided figures, but there's special types of quadrilaterals. It is the long word. 5-sided figure. Pentagon. Just like the Pentagon in Washington, D.C. Has 5 sides. Okay. What do you think 6 sides? You guys remember? Hex. Yep. And remember that has an X just like the number 6. That's a good way to remember it. Hexagon. 7. Nope. It's called a heptagon. So remember 6 and 7 are very similar, but remember the X for the 6. Heptagon. Octagon for 8, just like an octopus. Well, we're going to do the main ones. 9. Anyone know what 9 is? This is a fun one. Nope. Nonagon.
What? Not real gun.
Nonagon. How about 10? A good guess for 10?
Pentagon.
Nope.
Pentagon.
How do we say 10 years?
Decagon.
So it's a decagon. Yep. And then we're going to skip to 12 because that one has a fancy name, is a dodecagon. So a lot of times there might be special names, but in this book it doesn't talk about all of them. When they get to a certain point, then they just do say 11agon, 13agon. I know that sounds silly, but that's literally what happens. Okay? Yes. So what's up?
So does that mean that 12 years would be a decade?
You'd have to look it up, but I'm pretty sure that's what that prefix would mean. Yeah.
What is 1 year?
Okay. So.
1 year.
All right. Those are your notes for section 7-6. Now off to the assignment.